In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Bluetooth headphones louder. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And the first thing you may try, you can open up your control center by swiping up from the top right corner, and you can increase volume on your device just by dragging this volume bar up or right. Also, you can hit at your volume up and volume down button to set up the volume level that you want. Also, you can open up your music application, and if it has volume bar, also you can increase it right there to make your sound louder. And there is the one more way how you can increase volume on your headphones, and all you have to do is to open up your settings and there get into sounds and haptics. Now here hit on headphone safety, and there make sure that reduce loud sounds feature disabled. If this option is enabled, you can reduce loud sound of your headphones. So if you want to make your headphones louder, just disable that option. That's all about how to make your headphones louder. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.